Standing here at the seafront of the cathedral, I'm taking video shots of the stunning Mediterranean coastline front across the cathedral. What a staggering view of this frontline beauty, filled with the street activities and ocean liners beyond. This Mediterranean front house of God is unique and one of a kind. Most cathedrals in the world, nearly all, are located inland, far away from waterfronts, nor located close to ocean fronts. On that note, it is known as the Cathedral of the Sea, known also as the Cathedral of Space. It occupies an area of 6,600 square meters and is 121 meters long.
Let me get there.
Vas para la habitación, pues cierra la puerta.
Mommy is just taking a shot. She looks very important. Yeah, it's going to be a fantastic video. Against the backdrop of the church. I think this is the in front of the church, isn't it?
Yeah.
Standing here in front of this magnificent cathedral today, my thoughts are not only on this beautiful building. They travel beyond these ancient stones. They travel through the years of my life. I find myself thinking about the extraordinary distance that life has carried me. There was a time when the future seemed impossible to imagine. Years marked by uncertainty, by conflict, by separation, by journeys that no child ever expects to make. Yet today, here I stand, not because every road was easy, not because every dream came true exactly as I imagined, but because every difficult season quietly prepared me for another step forward. Life has taught me that progress is rarely measured in giant leaps. More often, it is found in simply refusing to stop walking. Standing before this cathedral reminds me that every great masterpiece is built one stone at a time. Our lives are much the same. Every disappointment, every victory, every tear, every smile, each one becomes another stone in the story that God allows us to build. Looking back, I realize I have traveled much further than I ever thought possible. Not only across countries, not only across continents, but across the landscape of the human spirit. The greatest journey has never been geographical. It has been the quiet transformation taking place within. Today I stand here not asking why life happened the way it did. Instead, I give thanks for every chapter, for the Lord's grace. Because without these difficult pages, I would never have understood the value of peace, the gift of hope, or the strength that quietly grows inside every human heart. This cathedral has stood here through centuries of changing generations. It reminds me that while people come and go, the values of faith, perseverance, compassion, and purpose continue to endure. As I continue my own journey, I carry one simple prayer. May I never stop learning. May I never stop growing. May I never stop seeing beauty in the ordinary moments that life places before me. And may every journey remind me that renewal is always possible. No matter where we began, no matter what we have overcome, there is always another horizon waiting for those who continue walking with quiet purpose.
With open hearts and hopeful eyes, a brand new journey comes alive. Every road begins with faith.
We're having a walk around the church.
Mile a gift of grace.
Opposite the little street, there are souvenir shops that you can buy some memorabilia about the church and this historical cathedral.
Every horizon calls our name, inviting us to.
This is absolutely wonderful.
And we are the travelers of hope.
This is a wonderful day for us,
Where the light may lead.
and for me personally, for the walk around
Every shore
in this historical cathedral.
opens one more hidden door. Hand in hand we journey on. Through every valley,
Mallorca area,
wherever life's great path
established in 1890.
will leave our fears and peace we'll find. Quiet purpose journey. Every road
And mommy has just disappeared into one of the shops to to look around for jewelries that she can take away on this very important tour of the cathedral.
Ancient churches, quiet streams, teach us more than books can read. Different faces, different lands, yet kindness speaks in every hand. Every culture, every smile makes the journey all worthwhile. Not every treasure shines like gold. Some memories
Okay.
we hold, some moments passing
Yeah,
by. It's
yeah,
sunset
okay.
painted in the sky. Home is not one place alone. It's every part that
Thank you.
makes us known. The world becomes one family when seen through love and humility. We are the travelers of hope.
Emmanuel is now leading us so that we can enter the cathedral from this end, this end of the cathedral. We are about to enter the building, this historic building. And this is going to be a very eventful day for us.
Every road has a story.
And I'm sure we'll enjoy it.
Journey leaves a memory. Every memory becomes a light.